Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana looks to me as if we are here now in the breakout as well. And it's basically following the expectation that as long as we're holding above this green support area, we can put that fifth wave in place. So we've got that breakout. Could still be, and I want to issue that warning, it could still be an overshooting B wave, but looking at what other coins are doing at the moment, just looked at Mana, we might have this fifth wave now. Now, with the fifth wave, we've seen that across the board in the last few weeks. We've seen that those altcoins tend to overextend on the third and the fifth waves. So it could also certainly max out this green area. I'm not saying to you it will, but I wouldn't be surprised if it does. And this is the target range that we formulated and defined in previous videos between $17.90, which we've reached, and $21.10. So that's currently here where we are. So that means, what could we have here? I mean, structurally, I'm still thinking this could be an overshooting B wave, but it could be. It probably isn't, because this looks quite impulsive now. If we count it bullish, it would be a 1-2 setup here probably. Now of the second 1-2 setup, this would be a wave 3, so this could still cascade a bit higher. Important, however, would be in my opinion that it holds the $17.36 level now, because if we break below that again, then it's quite a sharp rejection. And I think if we drop now below 17.36, it would be a strong indication it's just an overshooting B wave. So not labeled as I've got this labeled still from the previous video, but that it actually might be an A wave, overshooting B wave, and then come down in C. But then that support area will probably be not enough. Then we will probably come down straight away into the wave 2 support area. But again, then it doesn't really make a difference, because after reaching that green target area here, we expect the wave 2 to the downside anyway. Yeah. So basically in this sequence, moving up, coming down. And if the move down now happens only in a C wave or in an ABC itself, depending on the underlying structure, doesn't really make a great difference. But yeah, we've seen it's currently an interesting situation currently here everywhere. I can only encourage people not to get too panicky about it. Yeah, don't panic. There are everywhere in the financial market on a daily basis, there are hundreds of opportunities. So you never need to have the concern to miss anything, because every day there are new opportunities. And I also, I know everybody wants to trade every wave. Not everybody, but a lot of people want to trade every wave. Now, overtrading, I think, can be a bit of a trap for people. You don't need 20 trades per week. Or one trade per week can fill your wallet nicely, and depending on if it's a good trade. Yeah. So we are working on this breakout. Now we are in a very, very interesting situation because this means that Solana has now completed 5 waves to the upside. So this could all become part of a larger 5-wave move. And I said in a previous video that a break above $20, which would be covered by the target area, so if we break above 20, it would be a first very strong indication that a bear market low is in. If we do that, I'm really looking forward to the wave 2 retracement, because that could provide another very attractive entry point to trade the third wave, which could then, I give you just some food for thought. Yeah, this is just assumptions at the moment. Let's say we push a bit higher, maybe to $20, yeah, and then come down into the wave 2 support area. We'll just choose somewhere in the middle. Let's say here 1180. We could then expect a third wave to reach the $31 level. So that's what I mean. There are opportunities every day. I mean, don't get me wrong. This can still, as long as we don't break below 17.36, this can still cascade way higher. But at some point when then that wave 2 retracement comes, I mean, if you want to short that or not, that's up to you. But the wave 3 is certainly going to be the next attractive rally to the upside. Certainly a lot of coins moving in very interesting ways at the moment. We obviously broke out of the wedge. Yeah, at the time we talked about that. Had here an entry point, and this is now the target range. Let's see if this target range is enough, if this is going high enough. Again, it ends at $21. Certainly key resistance here, not only because of the target range, because this is nothing else than a resistance area based on Fibonacci levels, but also because we are coming now to this previous wave 4 high, and that is at $18.60 or $18.80. Let me zoom in. Don't want to give you wrong numbers here. Yeah, $18.80. So that would also, breaking above that would already indicate that a low is, or more substantial low is in here certainly, and then the $20 level, it's a fib resistance. If we break above that level, that would also be a strong indication that a low, or at least a first, let's call it a first strong indication that a low is in. Crazy. Okay. Yeah, and that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.